This is where we're taking our walk today, May 1st. I am narrating.
Oh.
I'm taking some movies, so you have to be in the movie.
Excuse me.
And here's Mom.
Hi.
We're going on our walk.
A wonderful walk.
So let's check out what's up ahead.
Good idea, Tracy.
I gotta get you in it too there. So anyway, this is this dirt trail we're walking up. And we have no idea where it's going to lead to.
Dirt trail, it's a rocky trail.
It's a rock trail. So it looks like we might get part of this river. Not sure if we're going to be able to go much further, actually.
Running out of trail.
Oh, but it's pretty up here.
Oh, it is.
I'd say we might want to turn around pretty soon, though. Ooh. Yeah. I think this would be a great whitewater rafting trail to go down. The trail does go further up, but